Well, hey guys, I was looking for just a little tabletop fan I could set on a little table and blow air on me when I get hot, and so I got on Amazon and I looked around and I found this Black & Decker 9-inch frameless 3-speed quiet box fan. Black & Decker's always been a trusted name. Have used their power tools pretty much all my life, so I picked this one out. It was around $17 and some change. So what I thought I would do is I'm just going to take it out of the box and we're going to hook it up. We're going to see how quiet it is and just check it out. So let's take it out of the box right quick. Well, it comes with a booklet. An awful big booklet, but probably got several different languages. And there's what it looks like. Let me undo the cord right quick and we'll plug this baby in. Alright, I'll just guess at the length of the cord. Looks like probably close to 5 foot, I would guess. Let me plug this in down here and we'll turn it on. Guess it's already on. Alright, here's the controls. Alright, I'm going to start off. There's 1. Well, it's definitely quiet on 1. There's speed number 2. There's speed number 3. Turn around and see how it actually feels. Definitely puts out the wind. Well guys, if you're just looking for an inexpensive tabletop fan, just to blow a little air on you when you get hot, for the price, this little Black & Decker fan just might be the one for you. Hey, if this helped you out, hey, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Till next time, I will catch you later.